Disassembly. For the proper disassembly of the LPC, follow these steps. To turn off the LPC, press and hold the black power button for 5 seconds until the machine turns off. Pressing and immediately releasing the button will begin a new sample, and this could harm the machine if this is done after the silver isokinetic probe is reattached. 2. Detach the clear hose from the top of the LPC. Remove the silver inlet barb fitting and replace the silver isokinetic probe to the top of the LPC. 3. Unplug charging cord and USB thumb drive from the LPC and return all pieces to the case. 4. Detach the clear tubing from the high pressure diffuser. Return the black cap to the high pressure diffuser. 5. Detach the black bevel-line tubing from the high pressure diffuser and screw on the silver cap. 6. Remove black tubing from air sampling point. For return shipment, ensure all caps are replaced. Place all items back into their respective bags and slots. Fill out the inventory checklist. Put the case in the cardboard box along with bubble wrap as needed. Finally, attach the return shipping label and send back to Trace Analytics. You have now completed sampling.